So I'm going to start by taking you back to a camping trip I did with my dad earlier this summer in Algonquin Park. This place holds a lot of meaning to both my dad and I because I've been going there since I was young camping, and that kind of was one of the places that helped contribute to my love of the outdoors and nature. And yeah, it's just a beautiful place. So we've been trying to go at least once a year now, just like a father-daughter trip, to really get to appreciate and enjoy it, because otherwise it's hard to get up there and visit as much as we'd like. But doing one annual camping trip is pretty manageable, and we always have a great time at catching up and enjoying the beautiful scenery. So we also decided to go for a quick paddle out in the canoe, and we just put it in this really pretty river that's actually right outside of Algonquin Park, and it was just a nice, short, peaceful paddle with no real destination in mind. Along with my morning coffee, I like to start my mornings off with a package of AG1. My dad and I both really like to take care of our health, even when we're out on a camping trip, and part of that is making sure that we get all of our vitamins and minerals. AG1 helps to make it easy and convenient to get all of these nutrients in, especially when we're out camping, because it's hard to carry a ton of food on us. Drinking AG1 helps me to increase my intake of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, I personally feel that I've been able to recover quicker from workouts, and it helps give me sustained energy to power through my active lifestyle. So you can head to the link in my description or scan the QR code on the screen to get a bottle of vitamin D3 plus K2 and 5 AG1 travel packs free with your first subscription. I personally am very sensitive to caffeine, and I can really only have 1 cup of coffee a day, so this is great for an additional energy boost. Today I thought that I would sit down and have a little talk and update you on what's going on in my life currently. So I am working for a technology company, full-time in office, 40 hours a week right now, which is a big change for me. I've never really worked a job like this before, and it doesn't really suit my personality, but it's going well so far. I was honestly really just wanting to get out of the house and get into a more social environment, because I feel like I was in such isolation from my concussion because I really couldn't leave the house or go on my phone or do anything. It actually did help with recovery by taking everything off my plate, by taking a break from school and just working a regular job and focusing on that. And it actually helped allow my brain to heal by reducing the stress in my life. And now I'm finally at a point where I can return to most of my regular activities from before. Even video editing is so much easier now. I really haven't spent much time gardening or working on any projects this summer. There's really only so much that you can do while working a full-time job. You have such limited time, so I really tried to fill all my free time with doing things that I love. You never really know when health issues are going to arise, so I always think that living life to the fullest of your capabilities today is all that you can do, and so I try to fill every second of my time with doing stuff that I love. So I actually just got back from a big hiking trip in Europe, so I could go hike the mountains over there a couple weeks ago, and it was amazing. There should be a video on that coming to you soon, but as of right now I'm experimenting with different routines, diets, forms of exercise, and I'm really just trying to figure out what works best for me and how I can optimize not only my health but also my happiness. These past couple years have been filled with a lot of difficult times for me, but I'm actually really excited and I'm feeling a lot more hopeful about what's to come. And I have been filming quite a bit recently, so expect some more videos in the coming weeks.